Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to open any Samsung Screwless TV without any costly tools like jigs. You can do this easily at home without any special tools. This video features Samsung UA55 TU8000U model. It is a 8 series TV. You are watching that it is a screwless TV and have no screws on its backside. You will need a flat tip screwdriver just to open one end of TV that is marked with an arrow. You have to insert it very carefully down the arrow without putting any extra force. Don't pull it back. Now you will need a color marker. We say it a marker. I don't know what you say. Please leave a comment the exact name of this pencil. We use this because its cover or plastic is soft than a normal pen or ballpoint. Remove its cap and carefully insert it with the screwdriver. Now pull back the screwdriver and carefully slide it to the right of the TV back. The click sound is normal, don't worry or feel that anything inside would be broken. Don't take out the marker on the corners and take a turn as I have done in the video. Make sure that don't insert the marker more than 1.5 inches, otherwise it breaks the locks inside. The process is very simple. Just remember not to put any extra force. My channel is full of technical and informative videos regarding TVs, so must subscribe it. Slide the markers on all three corners except the fourth, that is downwards. You don't need to do the process on the downside because there are no locks on the downside. After sliding the marker on all three corners, gently take off the back cover. You can see a wire that is spread all over the three corners of the TV used to hold the back cover. Also, I will show you the back cover inside points that are used to hold the wire. These are the locks used to hold the wire, viewers. Hopes you have enjoyed the video. In case of any query, ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.